In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and hit OK. Then select Photos or Albums on the left. Click on one of your albums or hold one of your photos right away that you wish to get rid of. And then click on this icon with a check mark at the top right corner. If you want to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!